Hey there. So you are working on HubSpot and now you need to delve in deeper inside the service component of HubSpot. So today we are going to tell you how you can connect a subdomain for knowledge base inside HubSpot. So guys, in order to connect a subdomain to your knowledge base, what you need to do is firstly log into your HubSpot account. Yes, absolutely, you need to do this. Once you are done logging into your HubSpot account, click on the settings icon on the top right. Once you are done with that, on the left side, go to website and go to domains and URLs. Once you click there, here, click on connect a domain. You need to connect a secondary domain because this is something which you will use later on for your knowledge base. Click on connect. And here select a brand domain that you are going to use, then click on next. In the content type, choose knowledge base and then click on next, and you can optionally put in the name for the subdomain and then here click on next. So we get the knowledge base URL, then click on next. Finally, what it would do is ask you to verify everything, and once that is verified, your HubSpot, for example, our domain name resides on Cloudflare. You just need to log into your Cloudflare dashboard, and then there you just need to add the subdomain to the DNS of your Cloudflare domain. Or you can also click on finish later in case your integration takes a little bit of time. So we clicked on finish later, but once all of that is done, now what we need to do in order to proceed further is that in the settings itself, on the left under website, click on knowledge base. And when all of that is done and your domain is connected, you will click on the knowledge base domain here and click on the drop down of the sites and choose the required subdomain. And you can also change the knowledge base slug from here. For example, if you want the knowledge base to be accessible on something like /kb, you can do that. And when all of that is done, just save your changes and then you are good to go. So guys, I hope this was easy to follow and the steps were crystal clear. In case you are still running into any sorts of issues, do let us know via the comments below. Feel free to reach out to us via our social media. And in case you want our help in order to build something custom or awesome of your own, feel free to reach out to us for a one-on-one consultation call, which is absolutely free, no money, no charges, etc. And you can just scan the QR code on the screen in front of you. And we'll see you soon in the next video.